Hi and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to set up screensaver on iPhone. Using screen saving features on your iPhone helps extend battery life, whether you're saving power for travel or other important tasks. And here are the clear steps to set up a screensaver style display on iPhone. First is to unlock your iPhone and open the Settings app. Tap the wallpaper. Tap Add New Wallpaper, then choose Photos or Collections. Choose an image or style you like, then tap on it. Customize widgets, font, and depth effect if you want to. Tap Add, then choose Set as Wallpaper Pair. Lock your iPhone using the side button. Optional, plug your iPhone into a charger. Place the iPhone horizontally on a stand. Wait for standby mode to activate. Enjoy a screensaver or style display. Tips: iPhones don't have a traditional screensaver like computers. Standby mode iOS 17 Plus acts as a smart screensaver. You can show clocks, photos, and widgets, and it is works best while charging. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.